there I brought the DXF file in, right? So then I wanted to create code. I would go here. I would say, okay, I want the outside offset, so that means I'm going to cut out here and it's going to account for the kerf right here, 0.06 inch kerf.
Okay.
I want to move at 50 inches per minute, which for this one I would do like 25. It's recommended 30, but I like to do.
A little slow.
Yeah. I don't ever use this sheet cam. Anyways.
Okay.
This
So
is an old computer down here.
There you go. My num lock was off. I can do my lead-ins. I can do arc, none, tangent, perpendicular. I can select how long they are.
you select the pierce points. How do you do that?
So I'll click OK, and it'll create the G code right there, right? And if I want to move the pierce points, like say this one's on the corner, I go up here to start, edit start points, and I can select that. There.
Oh, so you can select the toolpath however you like.
Yeah, and say this one.
So
I
you
don't
didn't like how it does it automatically first?
Yeah, it does it automatically first, and it optimizes it for the less distance traveled.
Yeah.
So say I wanted up at this corner because I had another part down here. And say I didn't want to see how those touch. Say I didn't want to use those. I right click, I go to properties, I go to, I unselect that, and then I can change them to tangents or perpendiculars. And so that's the lead in, and the lead out will do a tangent. So it changes it.
Do you always, so I see you always want to pierce a little inside and go into it, yeah?
Yeah.
For the highest like the most straight cut, because you don't want to end up on it, you want to start and end up away from
you can do
the actual
none,
cut.
you know.
Okay.
And you'll have like no lead in or no lead out.
Uh-huh.
Lead outs on holes like this I like to shorten because that plug will fall out long before the lead out. You know, right when you get here, that plug's going to fall out. And so it's going to continue to travel around that lead out right there until...
Okay. So lead-ins, lead-outs. Do you select the time that you, for like pierce time, you select...
Yep. You do
uniform
that
throughout, or
in the tools right here. So you got pierce delay. You can set your kerf width, your feed rate, your pierce delay, your pierce height, your plunge rate, which is after that pierce delay goes through, it'll plunge down, and your cut height, what the target height is off the material. Once that happens and all that takes over, the torch height control, 1 second after the cut starts, the torch height control takes over. And then it does what it needs to.
you select that after...
Yeah, that's...
How do you select that? So
that
you can select when it comes in, or...
Yeah, but that's in the cam. So here we got this is the cam software. This creates the G code. Once we have that G code, right?
Okay.
I go here to Mach 3. Mach 3 interprets the G code and tells the machine what to do.
Yeah.
So you have 3 softwares: CAD, CAM, and your Mach 3, which is your controller.
Okay.